In this video, I will talk about net present value. So let's start. What's net present value? The difference between present value of cash inflows and present value of cash outflows is called net present value. In case of independent projects, if the net present value is positive, then the project will be accepted. If it is negative, then it will not be accepted. But if the net present value is zero, then the investor may accept or reject it. But in case of mutually exclusive projects, the project with higher net present value will be accepted, others will be excluded. Advantages of net present value are: it considers time value of money, considers the cash flows over the entire life of the project, considers the residual value of the property, increases market value of the organization and adjusts risk, helps in selecting right and profitable projects, etc. Disadvantages of net present value are: determination process of net present value is complex and time consuming, amount of investment in the project is not considered, does not provide reliable results, lifespan of the invested project is not considered, determining the rate of capital expenditure is a difficult task, etc. Let's move to the Excel sheet to see a practical example of calculation of net present value. Here, Meghna Company has two projects, Project ABC and Project XYZ. The initial investment or the cash outflow of Project ABC is $14,000 and Project XYZ is $15,000, and from year 1 to year 5, these are the cash inflows of Project ABC and these are the cash inflows of Project XYZ. The cost of capital is given 10%. We have to compute net present value of both projects. For calculating net present value of Project ABC, at first we have to put equal sign, then type NPV. Double tap on it to see the function. Then we have to put rate, then comma, then we have to select all the cash inflows of Project ABC from year 1 to year 5, then close the bracket, then put plus sign, then we have to take the initial investment or the cash outflow of Project ABC, then press the enter key. As you can see, the net present value of Project ABC is $35,815.74. In this similar way, you can also determine the net present value of Project XYZ. Now the question arises that among these two projects, which project should be accepted? We can explain this situation in two ways. One is theoretical way and another is functional way. In theoretical way, we know that the project with higher NPV will be accepted, others will be rejected. So here, net present value of project ABC is higher than net present value of project XYZ. So we can say that net present project ABC should be the acceptable project. Now I'm going to show you the functional way. First, put equal sign, then type if, then double tap on it to see the function. If net present value of project ABC is greater than net present value of project XYZ, comma, then we have to select project ABC, then again comma, then we have to take project XYZ, close the bracket and press the enter key. As you can see, project ABC should be the acceptable project. Thanks for watching my video. See you soon.